What's up, guys? Ryan here from RPS Dent Specialist, coming to you with a 14 Mercedes with a pretty common dent that we seem to get calls about all the time, either in the rear quarter panel or the front fender. A lot of times it's when people are backing in or pulling in or out of their garage. There's always damage in this area. She's got a little bit of scratching through the bumper, through the dented area. Some of them will buff out, some of them are beyond. And when your nail grabs it, means it's beyond the clear coat, and a lot of times you can't buff it out. We do have to remove the taillight. And the good thing with this dent is, with as large as it is, it's about the size of a grapefruit. It's kind of tight here. So you've got an edge, and a roll with the body line that runs through here from the bumper edge. The only technically difficult part about this dent is the paint is cracked right on the edge. And I explained that to the customer when they brought it to us for an estimate. So what my game plan is, kind of get in here, get the bulk of it out, and slowly massage the rest of it out beyond that. So follow me through the repair. Try to go step by step through this thing and go from there. Now what this product is called, it's called a declaration. Now the declaration is a huge leverage tool. And what that leverage tool does is you have a big opening like you have here. It allows you to set this up to where you'll have pretty good leverage without the struggling with the big opening. So I'm starting this repair with one of my favorite products of the last year. I was a big cold glue guy in the beginning, and Glexo has just changed the game. Something about their glue, something about their stainless steel tabs. And I'm gonna start this one with just one of their standard red round tabs. You see I keep it in the little Kiko silicone sleeve. Keeps it formed. I mean, you can kind of see how it comes out. Keeps it fresh, and you know, you don't have to worry about it sticking to all your stuff no matter what the temperature is. So what I'm gonna do with this repair is, still got some good heat on it. Put the tab in this area. Try to get this corner to come up. See if it'll walk. There's a lot of pressure here and a lot of pressure here. So let's see what happens. Now with Glexo, sometimes you've got to knead the glue, kind of get it to where it's sticky. This is a fairly new piece. Using my old trusty Pull Dog. Probably not the best slide hammer for cold glue, but it's what I have in my hand right now, so that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna stick it right in here. And it did nothing. Now you see it pulled, it relieved that stress pressure that was here. It pulled the bulk of it out, and it did relieve the pressure that was in this corner here. Now we do have a definite crease that kind of runs this way, kind of like a Nike swoosh, kind of comes in. So I'm gonna try to cold glue right here one more time, and then we'll get in and push. Now you see me kind of slowly tugging this. Sometimes with larger damage, you like to pop it and get the most of it out. With the paint broken, I'm trying to be gentle and slowly pull. All right, so I'm using a good old trusty Ultra double bend with their fantastic red rubber tip. This rubber or whatever they make it out of is so strong and lasts forever. So come in, and my biggest area I'm going to push is there is a little bit of a disappearing body line there in this low. I'm going to try to get this up, and then I'll start working that crease. Now in this repair, I can feel this crown kind of holding me back. So I wanted to relieve some of the pressure. Then I'm going to come in and beat this crown down. Try to work it both ways, back and forth, because it's really tight. I can feel it fighting me throughout the process. I'm using one of my favorite tools of all time, the crown jewel. In instances, I have a bunch of lengths. When I'm this close, I like to really use the shorter one to be able to see what I've got going on. I'm being really careful here with the crack in the paint. Usually I would use an edge dolly, but I think it's going to be too hard. So I'm just trying to walk a little bit of this low out that's at the very edge. And not flake that paint. So it is starting to get close. It started to lift a little bit, but a lot of that's just because I'm bringing that metal back to where it was. It's not pinched. Now there's a lot that can trick your eye here. You have a roll in, and you have a swell. What I'm also catching is there's another crown that's all the way back here by the wheel lip that's holding some of that in. But overall, I'm gonna start working this crease, clean it up. I think I got this edge pretty close. And let's see where we are. Like I said, I'm being gentle because of the broken paint, but let's see if I can get this line out of it and see what we have there.
Sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me? Save me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me? Save me, I'm losing every battle.
So I finished up with this repair. Like I said, there was the paint broken here that I did just touch up. I'm gonna hit it one more time with some clear. But it came out really, really clean. Even rebuilding this body line back up to where it disappears in that swell, it came out almost flawless. I can't complain with the repair. I think the customer is gonna be very happy. If you guys have a ding or dent or a damage that you would think that it needs to go to the body shop, give us a call or even a text. You can even go to our website at rpsdentrepair.com and fill out the estimate request. It's free. At least submit the photos over before you go to your insurance company or the body shop to save you some time and some money. And we're here for you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Keep it real. And I'll see you guys on the next repair. Thank you. Bye-bye.